فلما جاءهم الحق من عندنا قالوا إن هذا لسحر مبين.
And when the truth came to them from us, they said, Indeed, this is plain sorcery.
قال موسى أتقولون للحق لما جاءكم أسحر هذا ولا يفلح الساحرون.
Moses said, Do you say this about the truth after it has come to you? Is this sorcery? You call this sorcery, although sorcerers never come to a happy end.
قالوا أجئتنا لتلفتنا عما وجدنا عليه آباءنا وتكون لكما الكبرياء في الأرض وما نحن لكما بمؤمنين.
They replied, Have you come to turn us away from the way of our forefathers, that the two of you might become supreme in the land? We shall never accept what the two of you say.
وقال فرعون ائتوني بكل ساحر عليم.
And Pharaoh said to his men, Bring every skilled sorcerer to me.
فلما جاء السحرة قال لهم موسى ألقوا ما أنتم ملقون.
And when the sorcerers came, Moses said to them, Cast whatever you wish to cast.
فلما ألقوا قال موسى ما جئتم به السحر إن الله سيبطله إن الله لا يصلح عمل المفسدين.
Then when they had cast their staffs and ropes, Moses said, What you have produced is sheer sorcery. Allah will certainly reduce it to naught. Surely Allah does not set right the work of the mischief makers.
ويحق الله الحق بكلماته ولو كره المجرمون.
Allah vindicates the truth by His commands, howsoever much the guilty might detest that.
فما آمن لموسى إلا ذرية من قومه على خوف من فرعون وملئهم أن يفتنهم وإن فرعون لعال في الأرض وإنه لمن المسرفين.
None but a few youths of Moses' people accepted him, fearing that Pharaoh and their own chiefs would persecute them. Indeed, Pharaoh was mighty in the land. He was among those who exceed all limits.
وقال موسى يا قوم إن كنتم آمنتم بالله فعليه توكلوا إن كنتم مسلمين.
Moses said, My people, if you believe in Allah and are truly Muslims, then place your reliance on Him alone.
فقالوا على الله توكلنا ربنا لا تجعلنا فتنة للقوم الظالمين.
They replied, We place our reliance on Allah. Our Lord, do not make us a trial for the oppressors.
ونجنا برحمتك من القوم الكافرين.
And deliver us through your mercy from the unbelievers.
وأوحينا إلى موسى وأخيه أن تبوأ لقومكما بمصر بيوتا بيوتا وجعلوا بيوتكم قبلة وأقيموا الصلاة وبشر المؤمنين.
And we directed Moses and his brother, prepare a few houses for your people in Egypt and make your houses a direction for them to pray, and establish prayer and give glad tidings to the people of faith.
وقال موسى ربنا إنك آتيت فرعون وملأه زينة وأموالا في الحياة الدنيا ربنا ليضلوا عن سبيلك ربنا اطمس على أموالهم واشدد على قلوبهم فلا يؤمنوا حتى يروا العذاب الأليم.
Moses prayed, Our Lord, you bestowed upon Pharaoh and his nobles splendor and riches in the world. Our Lord, have you done this that they may lead people astray from your path? Our Lord, obliterate their riches and harden their hearts, that they may not believe until they observe the painful chastisement.
قال قد أجيبت دعوتكما فاستقيما ولا تتبعان سبيل الذين لا يعلمون.
Allah responded, The prayer of the two of you is accepted. So keep steadfast and do not follow the path of the ignorant.
وجاوزنا ببني إسرائيل البحر فأتبعهم فرعون وجنوده بغيا وعدوا حتى إذا أدركه الغرق قال آمنت أنه لا إله إلا الذي آمنت به بنو إسرائيل وأنا من المسلمين.
And we led the children of Israel across the sea. Then Pharaoh and his hosts pursued them in iniquity and transgression, until Pharaoh cried out while he was drowning, I believe that there is no God but Allah, in whom the children of Israel believe, and I am also one of those who submit to Allah.
الآن وقد عصيت قبل وكنت من المفسدين.
Thereupon came the response, Now you believe, although you disobeyed earlier and were among the mischief makers?
فاليوم ننجيك ببدنك لتكون لمن خلفك آية وإن كثيرا من الناس عن آياتنا لغافلون.
We shall now save your corpse, that you may serve as a sign of warning for all posterity, although many men are heedless of our signs.
ولقد بوأنا بني إسرائيل مبوأ صدق ورزقناهم من الطيبات فما اختلفوا حتى جاءهم العلم إن ربك يقضي بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
We settled the children of Israel in a blessed land and provided them with all manner of good things. They only disagreed among themselves after knowledge of the truth had come to them. Surely your Lord will judge among them on the day of resurrection concerning their disagreements.
فإن كنت في شك مما أنزلنا فاسأل الذين يقرؤون الكتاب من قبلك لقد جاءك الحق من ربك فلا تكونن من الممترين.
Now, if you are in doubt concerning what we have revealed to you, then ask those who have been reading the book before you. It is the truth that has come to you from your Lord. So never become one of those who doubt.
ولا تكونن من الذين كذبوا بآيات الله فتكون من الخاسرين.
Nor reject the signs of Allah as false, for then you shall be among the utter losers.
إن الذين حقت عليهم كلمة ربك لا يؤمنون.
Surely those against whom the word of your Lord has been fulfilled will not believe.
ولو جاءتهم كل آية حتى يروا العذاب الأليم.
Even if they witness every single sign that might come to them until they are face to face with the painful chastisement.
فلولا كانت قرية آمنت فنفعها إيمانها إلا قوم يونس لما آمنوا كشفنا عنهم عذاب الخزي في الحياة الدنيا ومتعناهم إلى حين.
Did it ever happen that the people of a town believed on seeing God's chastisement and its believing profited them? There's no such instance except of the people of Yunus. When they believed, we granted them reprieve from a humiliating chastisement in this world, and we let them enjoy themselves for a while.
ولو شاء ربك لآمن من في الأرض كلهم جميعا أفأنت تكره الناس حتى يكونوا مؤمنين.
Had your Lord so willed, all those who are on earth would have believed. Will you then force people into believing?
وما كان لنفس أن تؤمن إلا بإذن الله ويجعل الرجس على الذين لا يعقلون.
No one can believe except by Allah's leave, and Allah lays abomination on those who do not use their understanding.
قل انظروا ماذا في السماوات والأرض وما تغني الآيات والنذر عن قوم لا يؤمنون.
Tell them, observe carefully all that is in the heavens and the earth, but no signs and warnings can avail those who are bent on not believing.
فهل ينتظرون إلا مثل أيام الذين خلوا من قبلهم قل فانتظروا إني معكم من المنتظرين.
What are they waiting for except to witness the repetition of the days of calamity that their predecessors witnessed? Tell them, wait, I too am waiting with you.
ثم ننجي رسلنا والذين آمنوا كذلك حقا علينا ننجي المؤمنين.
Then when Allah's wrath falls upon the wicked, we save our messengers and also those who believe. It is incumbent on us to deliver the believers.
قل يا أيها الناس إن كنتم في شك من ديني فلا أعبد الذين تعبدون من دون من المؤمنين.
O Prophet, tell them, O people, if you are still in doubt concerning my religion, know that I do not serve those whom you serve beside Allah. I only serve Allah, who will cause all of you to die. I have been commanded to be one of those who believe.
وأن أقم وجهك للدين حنيفا ولا تكونن من المشركين.
And to adhere exclusively and sincerely to the true faith, and not to be one of those who associate others with Allah in His divinity.
ولا تدع من دون الله ما لا ينفعك ولا يضرك فإن فعلت فإنك إذا من الظالمين.
Do not call upon any apart from Allah, upon those who have no power to benefit or hurt you. For if you call upon others than Allah, you will be reckoned among the wrongdoers.
وَإِن يَمْسَسْكَ اللَّهُ بِضُرٍّ فَلَا كَاشِفَ لَهُ إِلَّا هُوَ وَإِن يُرِدْكَ بِخَيْرٍ فَلَا رَادَّ لِفَضْلِهِ يُصِيبُ بِهِ مَن يَشَاءُ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ وَهُوَ الْغَفُورُ الرَّحِيمُ.
If Allah afflicts you with any hardship, none other than He can remove it. And if He wills any good for you, none can avert His bounty. He bestows good upon whomsoever of His servants He wills. He is all forgiving, all merciful.
قل يا أيها الناس قد جاءكم الحق من ربكم فمن اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها وما أنا عليكم بوكيل.
Tell them, O Muhammad, O people, truth has come to you from your Lord. Whosoever then follows the true guidance does so for his own good, and whosoever strays, his straying will be to his own hurt. I am no custodian over you.
واتبع ما يوحى إليك واصبر حتى يحكم الله وهو خير الحاكمين.
And follow, O Prophet, whatever is revealed to you, and remain patient until Allah brings forth His judgment. He is the best of those who judge.